I hope to shout the museum is open. Why is it open? Because I think the Chamber of Commerce is having another ribbon cutting. Yes, indeedy.
Hi.
Hi.
It's a NetMixer tonight.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to start all over, Michael, because she said, and I'm saying Michael on purpose.
Oh, good grief. This is a test.
Okay, well, you know what? Ask her.
I hope to shout the museum is open because the Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce is here. Hello, girls.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
What's happening here?
We're having a NetMixer. Get out.
No, come on, keep going. What is it? A NetMixer?
NetMixer.
NetMixer. So what happens at a NetMixer? I see you've got raffle tickets here. What
We
are
sell raffle tickets for the prizes that people bring, wine bottles or baskets or anything like that.
Oh, cool.
And it's for all of our members to mix and mingle and network and get to know about the business here.
So I just happened
And have a good time.
and have a good time, and it's from 5:30 to 7, huh?
Yes,
And it's free.
to anybody, members and non-members.
Nice. So this is a chamber function, I take it, right?
It
This is just
we
something
do
that
this-
you give to your members every once in a while, mixers and ribbon cuttings, but this is not a ribbon cutting as you told me, right?
It's a NetMixer, and we do this
A
for
NetMixer.
grand openings, rebranding, anniversaries. What else am I missing?
Well, it's a NetMixer.
It's a NetMixer, woman.
Hi, Jim.
Oh, it's raffle time. It's raffle time.
It's raffle time.
Everybody's got their raffle tickets.
I think in hand.
In hand.
Do you have the winning ticket?
I do. She
Okay.
promised me.
All right. Know the number? Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And these are the prizes over here.
Just wanted to thank everyone for coming tonight, and especially thank the Lincoln Archive Museum for hosting this evening.
All right, my name's Tom Jones. I have a company called Sierra Hills Framing. We are fine art, picture framing. We do a little bit of custom furniture, and I'm right across the alley. We're kind of old school. We've been here 22 years in business, so we've seen a lot of the changes. And I love the community, and I love being part of the chamber and all of the synergy and great, wonderful things that Lincoln does. So if you ever need framing, come see me or art. So.
And I've used him many times, and he's a wonderful framer. He does an awesome job.
You did something for me too, and it was wonderful.
Thank you. I did get some really good news on Saturday. Sierra Hills Framing won the KCRA A-list Best Picture Framer.
That's right.
Yeah!
27 of them. I think it did help. I know it did help. So. But I got a $50 gift certificate.
Nice.
Well, I felt too. I didn't want to, I told you. All right. For blue ticket. 966. Oh. Just flip those two sixes over and
Yeah, but
I think I've got it. Yay.
Yeah!
Thank you. As the artist, it's perfect.
How wonderful.
Okay.
Gene won. Hopefully you won't win this one.
Now, who sold these raffle tickets? The Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce is selling the raffle tickets because the money is going to the Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce.
July parade is coming up soon, just to give a plug for the chamber. I'm Jean Lund, I'm with Keller Williams Realty. We are of Roseville, but I'm a Lincolnite and I sell all over the place. So if you are thinking of buying, selling, or investing in a home or investment property, or if you know someone who's doing it, and if I know someone, please I'll help them. So we have, oh by the way, I want to tell you about Keller Williams Realty. Our office in Roseville is the #1 real estate company in all of California. We sell 300 homes a month.
Wow.
It's huge, so that's kind of neat to be part of. From a little town to
That's awesome.
Yes. Isn't that great?
It is. That's huge. Okay, Kathy, do you want to start for me? Blue ticket, what are the first three numbers?
425.
Correct. 935.
Oh, that would be me.
Yeah!
There you go. Thank you. Congratulations.
Okay, moving right along.
Good job.
Right.
Good job.
Sherry,
Mama.
it's our ticket picker.
Dudley will
I'll do it.
talk.
That's
So-
Dudley,
Motha.
it's always
It's
you.
gonna read.
So I'm lucky enough to be married to Sherry. I'm Dudley Adair. Sherry and I are involved with a fantastic company called Take Shape for Life. And 6 years ago, I lost 35 pounds in just 7 weeks. If you don't believe me, I actually have my before and after picture.
I want to see that.
Right here. I'll be glad to show it to you. So come up and see me after.
Did it give you more energy?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Did it give you more energy?
I was already pretty high energy, but yes.
You too. But I wasn't high energy. I got that way after.
So really great stuff. And Father's Day is right around the corner. You want to give yourself a great Father's Day present, you want to lose this, that's what I had. So it's gone, I used to weigh almost 200, hang on, I used to weigh almost 200 pounds.
What's that?
Sorry, I knew I should have done it myself.
That's right. My goodness. And now I weigh less than 160, and it's just remarkable. So, and one other thing, 6 short months from now, Sherry and I are inviting all of you to our Christmas party in December, which is disguised as the December Chamber Mixer for the Lincoln Chamber of Commerce. And last year we had it at the Holiday Inn Express, and that's what it's going to be again this year, and I promise it's going to be bigger and better than it was then. And there are a couple of people in this room that are on our program, and one of them I'm going to talk about real quickly, and that's Susan here, who lost 60 pounds on our program in, what, 4 months?
No, 6.
6 months, but that was 2 years ago, and you can see how great she still looks. So, tonight, because red wine is actually somewhat good for you, we brought a bottle of Zinfandel from Davis Dean Winery, which we think is quite
Okay, Kathy, tell us about
Anything else about Davis Dean Winery?
Well, they have their wine tasting room over at 436 G Street.
They're open during construction.
They're open during construction, but it's weekends.
So it kind of scares me a little that she actually knows the address for Davis Dean Winery, but anyway, that's another story. Would you kindly pick a number here, Sharon?
She knows the address. That's awesome. Okay, Kathy. 425. 950.
You know, if you apply his ticket,
And there you are. Fantastic bottle of wine. Enjoy that.
I know what Barbara and Marilyn are doing.
That's funny.
Somebody's got to be last and somebody's got to be first. Okay, this is Auburn.
Come on out and be part of the Chamber of Commerce. It's easy to be a member, and it really doesn't cost that much if you subtract it, you divide it out per month, you know? And you get to go to fun things like this. They're having a farmer's market started in the next few days, all summer long, every Thursday night. And they're in charge of 4th of July celebration, the parade, and some other things. So they're always doing things like this. They like to be part of the community, and they want you to be part of them as well.
I had to put my gun down a while ago while we take a picture.
Check her out on Instagram.
I do bookkeeping, I do taxes, I'm an
Ma
enrolled
Barker,
agent, I'm a
bookkeeping.
certified management accountant, and I'm also a home-based business, and a member of the chamber. And as I was going through, there's a whole bunch of my clients in here. Hi. So, draw.
hurrah. Hurrah,
425.
Correct. 960.
That's over there. Isn't that Jean?
Go, Dundee.
No. 900.
Where'd Dudley go? Maybe it's him.
No, it's not ours.
No,
Okay, 900.
Call another one.
Is it you?
No, it's my ticket that I won that I had to give away.
No, I put that ticket back in.
Draw another one.
I put it back in. you had another
Yes.
That's it?
Yeah! He was too busy trying to sign up another client instead of reading his raffle tickets.
You're not tired from being so busy, are you?
Hey, what did Mom Barker give away? I'm not sure what it's a small envelope or small something.
And last but not least, the man who needs no introduction.
Yeah.
How you doing? All right, guys. Sorry I was late. You know, I hope I didn't miss the party.
Better late than never.
That's
You
right.
know what? That's the way I saw it. That's why I'm here, you guys. Here to support. Anyways, you know what? We just got a little gift card here, okay? It's gonna be loaded with $50 tomorrow morning before 10. But it has great value to it. Let me tell you why. Better than any bank investment out there today.
Well, that's
Whoever gets this, okay, and all they have to do is refer me someone to get a solar quote. That's it, and we will double it. So this is worth $100.
Nice.
Okay? But you have till noon tomorrow. Because I have to load it. It's not loaded yet.
So it's not loaded
It's not
until
loaded
10.
yet. It's not
So you
loaded
only
till
got
10.
2 hours to get it done.
Yes.
Okay.
I get it.
Does somebody feel like they're ready to win that?
So $100 sitting here for anyone who gets it tonight.
The pressure's on. Okay.
It's in it. Okay.
425-967.
It's not being. My
You want solar? Because I already have solar. Double.
She's just got money coming out here.
See, we needed more people at these mixers. Same people are winning. She's won at least twice. There's someone else who's won twice. Someone else has won twice. You have not won anything.
See, it's all about the winners. Back to the prop room because that's kind of the thing that
All the losers, stay here. What's the matter? You didn't win anything, boo boo?
Oh yeah, the scrap.
They want you as their next member. Come on over and sign up. Boy, all I ever hear about lately is Lincoln Chamber of Commerce. Lincoln Chamber of Commerce. They're always doing something. I think I need to be part of them. Man, who knew?